What if AI could think, use tools, and complete tasks automatically? That's exactly why OpenAI Agents SDK is becoming a huge developer trend. OpenAI Agents SDK is a framework that helps developers build intelligent AI agents. These agents can reason, use tools, remember context, and perform actions automatically. Instead of giving only simple answers, AI agents can now search information, use APIs, call tools, and complete tasks step by step. For example, an AI agent can read emails, book meetings, analyze files, generate reports, and reply automatically. Developers are excited because AI agents are more powerful than normal chatbots. They can think, plan, and interact with multiple systems. Many experts believe AI agents will become the next generation of AI applications. Future businesses may use AI agents for automation, customer support, and decision-making. AI is moving from simple chat to intelligent action. Would you use AI agents in your daily work? Like, share, and subscribe for more AI content. Follow on LinkedIn for more AI updates.